find you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
It is TV powered by Wolfsburg Sporting. It is times.co.za. Two new teams, Durban City and Orbit College. Thank you very much to those two teams. It's very rare in South Africa we have two teams from the bottom. They always struggle in the playoffs. And today they defeated Letsio Kwapeng, scoring just at the beginning of the second half, scoring for Orbit College. They actually used to play for Cape Town City. So well done to Orbit College and everyone involved there. Welcome to the league. We hope you can even maintain your status in this league. For Cape Town City, many questions to answer. Will they buy status? Will they get rid of all the players? What happens to Emil Witbooi, who they pretended that they wanted to play until it was the playoffs? They never really played until 5 minutes in the playoffs, 10 minutes. Even today, they played him with 30 minutes left as well. So will they be able to play him next season? Where? In the NFD or in the league? We'll find out. Abdeslam Wadu is the Orlando Pirates coach and Usipho Mbule is an Orlando Pirates midfielder. Many other players are going to be signed by Orlando Pirates by the look of things, but we'll discuss with Junior mainly those two. Firstly, the coach. Junior, thank you very much for joining us. I'm sure we were not thinking Uguti Pirates is signed Umqeqeshi with Maromo Gallants. When you saw that story, Abdeslam Wadu, what did you think? I'm sure everyone in this country, they always call you kickoff. Every media, your voice is the most important voice, of course, in terms of analysis. They call you. They want to get. They know they will get the clicks as well. You know, they know that they will get the most views when they interview you. This is the first time you're responding to Abdeslam Wadu, Orlando Pirates. Were you shocked when you saw that? Yes, sir. Justify,
Lindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Benedict Sovila.
So and so.
Keep on supporting it. TV fighting one, trying to fix South African football. Pirates a team of surprises. Sure. Yeah, they've surprised me. I want me again. I was sure because the deal, as far as I heard, it was almost done. So I'm surprised what happened. So I parrot a team of surprises for really, I know. The coach is going to Orlando Pirates. I think a coach we ask Gucci feet out size 7 and go size 3. The point thing he mentioned, he knows good to pick up from Gozibi Katulo. I mean, Pirates they won 5 trophies. It's not going to be easy, especially the coach left Orlando Pirates, Jose Rivero. The coach did very well, irrespective of Kutubanuchi. Nami have been critical for a coach, but the coach proved wrong, and has proved many people wrong, especially international coach. Believe in young players and a consistency, and he took out the best out of those players. The team win MTN8. The guy won so many trophies. Champions League, second leg, is semi-final. He won away against big teams in Africa as a continent. We challenge Sundowns, a high-profile team. So it's very difficult. I think this guy. I want to find out the Pirates from this guy. Questioning his it's because of the Pirates. It's a question. 2-1, 2-1. I think in 12 games, I think he won. He played 11 games, 12, if not mistaken. I can't remember how many games he won. But
it was not a lot of matches.
Yes, true. And I want to find out, did he win a trophy now? Did he go to final to one of the trophies in South African football? Mfunu was good babuni to the guy because I watched the game in Amarumo Gallants. I saw the team at 10 City High, a fitness team, yes, ngibonile figure of fitness. We have some players South Africa maboni international coach, available to span. But Mfunu was good babuni in Orlando Pirates. The Pirates for me, they needed somebody manung. It's like somebody like Rulani, a coach who understands South African players, a coach who everything we call upon Orlando Pirates now. I see but keep is there. Obviously, reference. Maragi Mangipega. Pirates wanted a coach also sebenza under their conditions. Somebody that is going to be told what to do and then be happy. If they lose wonke. So bambegile nje pension. Also mamela, it's like what happened to other coaches before even Jose Rivero. I believe in terms of Jose Rivero because there was no way the guy can say, I'm not gonna renew my contract, I'm leaving.
Yeah. Do you think this coach helps them win the league? Because I think I need to explain this question.
Yes.
I asked so as well. When Sundowns hires a coach, the question is he going to help them win the Champions League? And when Pirates, because the biggest challenge of Pirates in this country, they are our best hope to challenge Sundowns for the league.
Yes.
So whoever they hire, the question is, are they going to help you get to the league? I think Orlando Pirates, if you look at the material that they have,
Yeah.
coupled with a Pizzo or a Rulani or a very good coach, they can challenge for the league. Whether they win it or not win it, we will have a title race anyways, whatever happens.
Yeah.
Do you think Abdeslam Wadu gives them a good coach to challenge?
What, the Champions League?
League, no, we can't talk about
No,
the Champions League.
they will never win a league. Sundowns, the way they play in Gumanje, go Club World Cup, nobody can challenge them. We don't have to fool ourselves. We need to be realistic. We're talking about the team, a well-structured team, a high-profile team. With the individual brilliance, Abu Ribeiro staff, Reinas as well, Mukwena and them, national team players, regular players. So it's going to be difficult. You can't say, yes, I'm hoping Abercon, but they will never beat Orlando. They will never beat Sundowns, goodbye winning league. They will be a game, probably a win against Sundowns, but not beating Sundowns is not going to be possible. So winning the league, it's something nobody in South Africa for now also winning the league. Sundowns while still.
If, for example,
Yeah.
if Coach Pizzo is called to Pirates,
Yeah.
he brings his own technical stuff,
team, yeah.
right? When he goes there, we know why he's there.
Yeah.
Whatever he wins, we know that he's supposed to go and challenge for the league.
Yeah.
This is my point of the question, Uguti. Now with this coach, and I'm trying to illustrate maybe even to the fans, Uguti, now that you've hired this one, ongena pedigree yokuwina ama league,
Yeah.
uthi akenzeni yena mhlambi uzochola Kalingi, Nedbank maybe because 4 matches, 3 matches, MTN you can win that, but the fans also need to realize that with those kind of appointments of low profile coaches, you must know what maybe the message you're sending is that you're not looking at the league.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know, mhlawumbe ngasithusa ngetalent yakhe, we never know. But in terms of his pedigree, if it was Coach Pizzo, for example, coming with his own technical team, if he doesn't win the league, we're going to ask questions. But with this coach, I don't know.
Yeah, I can be honest to you. There's no trophy that he will win, especially with the season. I don't.
Not with the players that Pirates have. I don't think the players that Pirates have, they can bangahlanganisa run to win a trophy. Because those players, Nkota, Umufukeng,
Yeah.
Umaswanganye, Umbule,
The thing is-
Umambasa,
Yeah.
that's a very formidable team. It's the second best team in the country.
Yeah, the thing is, Nkuleko Mfethi hasn't the difficulty kupla. What is so difficult Nkuleko ukuthi each and every team beef up.
Abasondeli ku-Pirates ne-Sundowns.
True, but
Like all the teams,
there's Sundowns as well.
abasondeli
There's
ku-Pirates.
Sundowns.
If it's
we must
Sundowns,
think of that.
Sundowns always prioritize, like Sundowns win a league last season.
Yes.
But prioritizes league in the Champions League bebeko final.
Yeah.
So you can't blame them for that. They did well in the Champions League.
Yeah.
They were in the final. They don't usually worry much about these smaller trophies.
Okay.
Ukuthi abo MTN kwenzakalani, abo Carling, abo Nedbank.
Yeah.
So Nedbank was won by Chiefs. Imagese winning Carling, MTN 80 Pirates.
Yeah.
So Sundowns, you always assume ukuthi they want the Champions League and they want the league, and they will probably get it. So with the strength of the Pirates team, with the strength of their players, I can see them winning 1 or 2 trophies.
I mean, I don't think they will win. Everybody that will play Orlando Pirates knows what they're capable of. They're going to double up the effort. It's not going to be easy for Orlando Pirates. Yes, the coach that left, the coaching surprised, and there was understanding. The reason, when you change coaches, you need to know everything is going to start afresh. So this guy also brings his own philosophy. Yes, he's got players at Pirates, but you understand? He might approach him game defensive. We don't know. We're not to say he's going to do that. But young Orlando Pirates, they are not going to be the same. They've got capable players. They can challenge Orlando Pirates. Base mangabe kune coach. They understand those players, especially Jose Rivero. He could challenge Mamelodi Sundowns and aphinda beat Mamelodi Sundowns. Marnai. How did he beat Mamelodi Sundowns? You can't even say. Because the way he was winning against Mamelodi Sundowns, the referees played a major role for me. Marleon Tano Kulmenga because it happens already. Marmina to you, question. I don't think the coach, Lobam Harili, especially appointed, is going to win one trophy. Google season each and everybody, each and everyone. We are beef up. Yes.
Abasonde,
Yes.
whatever they would beef up,
Yeah.
they will never get close to
Una
Pirates and
Stellenbosch,
Sundowns.
mfethu.
But they don't get. If Stellenbosch is a selling team, but so they Ugahambu Pasadena maybe. They will never. Yabona Pirates Sundowns and Pirates, they are so far against some
True,
other teams
true.
that whatever the other teams are doing, it's not anywhere near that. Pirates is the second best team in the country.
Yeah,
but
that's
anyways,
true.
because of time and there's a Club World Cup as well, we need to watch. Let me talk about Mbule. Just your summary of that signing. What did you expect it? Are you happy to see him at Orlando Pirates? What kind of future will we see him at Pirates?
Yeah. It's lucky. One of the best talent South Africa has ever produced.
Yeah.
He falls in but because of a reputation, obviously, but especially a professional team like Orlando Pirates, there's players who have problem and they get rid of them. Nisho Pirates, star players, and then babe nenkinga zokuhasa and stuff, bosaster and then they release them without any ukuthi bazi ukuthi une talent badakavai and their career over. So it's two ways. I'm surprised. Let me be honest. When lucky,
Yeah. It's his last chance.
He's very lucky.
Yeah.
But kule chance le yakuyo. He must know one thing. Mbuli is la intambo ubambe manje ngabobhunzi. Not ngaso sonke isandla ngabobhunzi kuphela. Because the Pirates is a big team. With so many players at Orlando Pirates previously, they get rid of them. No matter fans, they love them. South African people love them. They get rid of them. And the career get over. Like, wherever Lazio Corner is over. It's not going to be, angeke saspan. Once you leave Orlando Pirates, ngale yandlela, ngeke iphinde ispan. So, just ukuphendula Nkuleko. Umbule is so lucky. Abonge idlozi bakambule, abonge bakambule. Abonge uNkulunkulu wakhe. The contract, the age ayibonga ukuthi isesesayidini lakhe. You said it last time, and it makes sense now ukuthi Umbule kune team one more chance. But now Umbule need to understand one thing. Should anything happen at Orlando Pirates, no more with him. I'm not mini court. But based on the history, ngibone kunama-player enzima man before even him. And then Pirates get rid of them, those players. And yena manje based on izinto anazo, let me compliment the talent uNkulunkulu amboleke lona. Umfana ngikhulume positive. He's one of the best in terms of talent. I can't wait to see Sipho Mbule anabo Maswangai, Relebogile Mfokeng Kota, also Mabasa.
That will be a very exciting team.
And they must get Maela. Yabona for Champions League must get Maela for me Central.
Ban Mayela.
The striker.
Oh, Fiston. Oh.
Yes, I would love to.
I think it's going Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, but I would love to see.
Because Mabasa is still clinical. Mabasa.
Yes, true. But the thing is, they don't believe in that guy.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's a coach for me. I think a technical team. They made peace with them. Because Mabasa angeke evident. Nami ngisasho clinical. Mabasa is the best for me. South Africa is one of the best. But ngathi asimappreciate lamchit yabo. And then I sekaze wabona ukuthi okay
I have 60 seconds with you. Why do you think Chiefs did not sign him? Mike Makabu still offered for free to Chiefs.
Yeah.
Why do you think they didn't sign him?
Number one, Kaizer Chiefs is a team that they don't want such players in the behavior. Secondly, they can rather lose a very, very special player because of his behavior. Third, going to problem is scouting the Chiefs. They need to appoint people, Brake need to appoint people who can scout players. A person that will be charged by his job. Because of I'm not too sure. Master school if Pirates can raise their hands. Ngoba contract kambuli namatlozi ku Pirates. Ne Chiefs bengakwenza lo. Just do close. Yenza amatlozi ukuthi okay sharp. Boy, maybe you're not going to get a signing on fee. For now mhlambe from 200 seqala nge100 and then you're going to prove yourself. You know guarantee lo mfana kuhlapho uzongibamba isandla AFCON is going. Lo mfana ku Pirates
If uyajima, if uziphethe kahle.
i-chance yokuqina umbule naye need to realize if he train properly this guy, if he play ngoba manga trainer properly there's no way ukuthi can akunamuntu ozombeka ebhenjini ku Pirates yabo because he's one of the best talent ngifuna ukuyibona iPirates na ukuthi yohlambuluka kangakanani. So once he plays AFCON and as nguzukhuluma enye into la no Lindo mention something second season content of play of the season or even a play of the season.
Reliable if you are training, if uziphethe kahle. No, that's not a. Actually, prediction wow. Actually,
No, no, no,
He's
no,
so
actually,
good. Like
yeah.
he's good.
Yeah.
Like he has a godly talent.
Yeah.
You know, if we are if was better, I think we can see him midfielder of the season in Wezinjalo.
Yeah.
If was better.
Phela enye into lezi ethi coach player talented. Ku-easy coach player talented.
Yeah.
And then ezinye izinto ungazilungisa. Because you need to be talented in order for you to be coachable. So le mfana talented. You just add whatever. Le mfana uya-coordinate kuye. So umbule emele alawuleke nje into za off the field ekumele azilungise. And which is akusitalente le into abangakhuluma nayo bamtshela ukuthi kunjani. You almost ngabe ungenile emgodini. And then set kuvala umgodi uncathi kuphela shaye ngawo. So now mela realize umbule, and for me I believe kuya kwakhe ku Pirates. I think uyibonile nkulu ukuthi le imbobo yesikhiya. Credit to Mike Makap naye ukuthi adlala indima enkulu. Ama agent I think indlela ekumele ayidlale, indlela ekumele ayidlalile. Ukususa iplayer kuSikhukhune limise ku Orlando Pirates. This is what you want, not ususa iplayer ku Sundowns lise ku Sikhukhune.
There you go.
Well done to him.
Thank you. Yes, Sports Club World Cup. Sipho Mbule Abdulsalams Wadu at Orlando Pirates. We expect as well some few more signings to be announced by Orlando Pirates, one of the best clubs in the country right now for the maybe the last 4 or 5 years in terms of consistency. Consistency, unfortunately, at number 2, although that's good consistency. You just have to convert that to be number 1. Will they be able to reach there with their new coach and their new players? We shall see. It is TV, Diski Times, also splitting. For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.